Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Melody Marie and I'm here with another video. I am doing this lovely makeup look. It's fall inspired, very nude, very warm. Love it. You know how we love warms. So if you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. And let's get started. I'm going to start with the Clinique Dramatically Different Oil Control Gel. I love this thing. This thing helps my face. I am breaking out right now. I'm not gonna lie. These breakouts, I actually missed. I stopped like doing my diet when I got sick like 2-3 weeks ago. And then all these breakouts came out of nowhere, and then my face was like tripping. But it's cool. We're getting back to the basics. We're getting back to the diet. So after moisturizing my face, I'm gonna let it sit, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. So I'm just gonna get a concealer. I'm gonna get the Maybelline Fit Concealer in the shade 15. It's also light, it's the name of it. Put it on my, what's it called? Eyelids. Sorry you guys, I'm kind of like, I'm a little tired. I don't know why, but I am. So work with me here. Your girl is just cleaning. What's my freaking brushes? Where did I put that? Whatever. I have other brushes, but there's other brushes that I mainly use that I don't know where they are. It's in there? No, it's not. Where is it? I don't know. I have to look. Anyways, so I'm just, putting that on. And then I'm gonna go in with one of my eyeshadow palettes. I'm going in with the Too Faced chocolate bar, well, semi-sweet chocolate bar palette. And I love these shades in here. These shades are beautiful. I'm going, oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I got like hair. Anyways, yeah, it smells so good. I'm gonna go in with mousse, and I'm gonna put that in my what's it called? Crease. I'm just gonna blend it in, go back and forth with it. Oh, by the way, you guys, my hair is different. I went to go get my hair done before I went on this Orlando trip. It was my best friend's birthday, and she wanted to go to Orlando and do a whole bunch of fun things for the weekend. So before we went, I got my hair done. I just glossed it, and it was like a reddy orange. I actually also cut it a lot. Like, she trimmed it, but it was like big trim. I was trying to trim all the dead hair, like the split ends and everything, the dead. Also wanted to like trim all the I had did a keratin treatment, and it leaves you with like it's like this kind of like, it's straight, just straight little ones kind of. So she trimmed all of that off, and now it's much better, much healthier, much shiny, and just much better overall. I like the length. It's so much easier to deal with. My hair doesn't get as knotty or tangly, so it's great. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Cocoa Chili, and bless you. I'm gonna put that in the outer V. Guys, don't mind that. That was just Scooby. You guys don't know, I have a dog named Scooby, and he was just sneezing. So that was just Scooby. He's just on my bed chilling. You know, he's been sleeping on my bed. He's way too comfortable on my new bed. He loves it, honestly. But it's cool. And he loves laying on the area that I sleep in normally. So it's cool, it's cool. He loves laying on my pillows too, which is kind of annoying because I have to rewash them. Because I feel like I take him out, I walk him and everything. Then like I wipe his paws and everything, but still it's like you have your dirty paws on my pillow. Like, just chill, fam. So yeah, I be having to clean it, whatever. But it's cool, it's cool. Now I'm gonna go in with, what color do I want on my crease? Oh, sorry y'all. What color do I want on my crease? I'm gonna do just, they have caramel here. I'm gonna do that, caramel. With butter pecan. And just put it on my lid overall. It's a nice little shimmery color. And just put it all over. My nose is itchy. Does anybody else's face get itchy when they're doing their makeup? Because that happens to me all the time. So this is just a nice little warm fall look that I've been really liking. It's a nice little basic fall look. Not like, I don't go into like, that's it, you know. I don't just like, I don't do any like smoky. Like if I'm trying to be out the door but still look cute, that's what I'm doing with my eyes. And also, before you guys ask, yes, these are contacts in my eyes. I will have a link down below, and I do have a discount code for you guys. It's Melody11 for 10% off your purchase. They also have amazing, like they have, I think it's buy 3 get 3 free contacts, and then I think there's one that's buy 2 get 1 free, something like that. I will have the link down below so you guys can check it out. Feel free to check it out because they're great contacts. My contacts are actually prescribed, which is amazing because I used to spend a lot of money on prescription contacts, and your girl only spent like about maybe 80, not even 60, $80 for 3 pairs, and I used to spend about $300 for 6 prescribed, and they were not even colored. So I feel like that's an amazing deal that you guys should hop on for all my people that wear contacts or glasses and want to play with their eye color, or even if you just want normal contacts, regular ones, they have that as well. They have even ones, you know, because Halloween's coming up, that's gonna be like really nice. Also, I did just put on primer. It's the Angel Veil primer from NYX. I've been trying it. I pretty much like it. It's really nice on the skin and everything. So I'm going to go in with Maybelline 24-hour foundation in the shade what shade? 118. I feel like I'm that shade. Let me just get a brush. I don't know why I put all the brushes behind the camera. I'm so sorry, you guys. Y'all had to see my little armpit or whatever. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I did that. Okay. Got my little brush. Sweetie, stop making noise. Don't make a mess either. Dogs, I swear. So we're just gonna put the foundation all over. Ooh, yes. This coverage, this coverage though. Yeah, I love this right here. There's is amazing coverage. Awesome coverage. Absolutely awesome. And again, this is from Maybelline. Full coverage foundation. Is it full coverage? 24-hour foundation. Yeah, full coverage foundation. And you can see how it just covers up my acne scars well. This is a very nice foundation. Completely, I recommend anybody. Guys, it's so gloomy outside today. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. So yeah, I got my hair done and everything, but I also got a tattoo. When I went on the trip with my friend for her birthday, we all got tattoos. It was something we've been wanting to do for a very long time, and this just seemed like the best time to do it. She wanted a tattoo. My other friend, Elisa, wanted a tattoo. Wait. She wanted a tattoo. My other friend wanted a tattoo. I wanted a tattoo. So we all got tattoos together. We didn't get matching tattoos because, you know, sometimes you never. Hey guys, I'm back. And I'm going to be putting on mascara from Bambi Eye Mascara. This is, I believe it's from Maybelline. No, it's from L'Oreal. And it's the Bambi Eye Mascara. Putting that on to my lashes. I will not be putting on any fake lashes because lately I've been loving my natural lashes. Extra when they say it's one coat, but like that was like 20. I'm not gonna put any on the lower. Okay, got my eyelash curler. Oh. Now let's put on a lip. I'm thinking I'm gonna do lip. We're gonna go with, and we're gonna go with NYX lingerie. And I'm gonna go with lace detail. I'm gonna put that on my lip. And that is it. That is the look. Sorry, Subi. You just all over the place, huh? That is the look for today. This is my fall inspired makeup lights look. I didn't do any smoky or anything. Very quick. I did it in about like 15 to 30 minutes. It's, you know, it's not that, it's very faster, you know, because like it takes me an hour to do another look, like a very like glam look. But this is it. This is her. If you guys do want to see other type of videos, comment down below what type of videos you guys want to see. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you push the post notification bell so you know every time I upload. And I'll see you guys next time.